Commercial flat roofing can be a lengthy and expensive process. We are experts when it comes to commercial flat roofs. For over 10 years, we've helped people just like you save money. You'll receive quality services at an affordable price. So call us today and have a roofing specialist come out and give you a free estimate. We look forward to helping you.
Hi there. A family member recently asked what tips we could give for buying a new roof. In her case, the new roof would be replacing an existing shingle roof. As we put together the important considerations for choosing and selecting materials and contractors, we realized that some of you might need this same information. So I'm making this video to share builder tips for saving money and getting a quality job when purchasing a roof. There's different roof types. There's asphalt shingle. This is the most common roof type for the average American. They're cost effective, come in many different colors and looks, and are relatively easy to install, which helps keep the cost low. Standing seam metal roofs can add a really nice architectural look to a home. In addition, they typically last a long time, up to 50 years. Metal does not work on flat or low pitched roofs. Metal typically costs more than asphalt shingles, but with oil prices rising, and oil is the principal ingredient in asphalt shingles, the gap is narrowing considerably, and metal roofs are a good way to go if you do have the budget. Tile, clay, and concrete are typically used in warmer climates. The second most used roofing product, tile, can be very durable, even in harsh environments, and help keep your home cool because of the airflow underneath. Tile typically lasts longer than any other roofing materials out there, so even though they do cost considerably more, life cycle costs are relatively low. So here are some new roof considerations. Asphalt roofs come in many different flavors. You can choose color, style, weight, warranty. Here are some tips for choosing a new roof. Asphalt shingle quality is specified by warranty period. You can buy 20, 25, 30 year roofs, etc. You can even purchase a lifetime roof. Our tips to this: get the highest number that you can if you plan on staying in the home. Half of the cost of the roof is labor, so it might last well. Even if you don't plan on staying in your home forever, future buyers will take the remaining life of the roof into consideration when purchasing your home. In addition, the longer warranty shingles typically have a heavier weight to them, so they're more resistant to high winds. I hope that I've educated you on options to get a new roof here locally. We are the city's top roofing professionals, offering the best roofing prices around. So call us and discover why over 5,000 local customers continue to recommend us. We offer a free roof inspection on all roofs and frequently get price discounts on our materials that we can pass on to you, the customer. So just give us a call right now below on the number below. Free roof inspection, whether you need a roof or just a roof repair. Don't get overcharged for roofing. We're here to, keep the costs low and provide you the best prices on roofing needs. So go ahead, give us a call now on the number below, and we look forward to speaking with you today.